The Dynamic River, a poem by the River Restoration Group. If you would like to read the poem with me, please scan the QR code. There was a river in Greece, long time ago, 500 before Christ it is. On the shore stands Heraclitus, alone, impressed by all the water, the flow. Pantarei, he whispers, with a voice so low, which obviously means everything flows. But only a week later, Heraclitus came to realize you cannot step into the same river twice, because most rivers are in constant change. One day all clear, the next day turbid. Strange. This is what Krigo depicts with his drones. From a bird view, he sees water, plants, and stones. A river, born at the source and flowing to the sea. A proper continuum, as Van Noot stated in 1980. A leading concept this notion became, including invertebrates, algae, fish. It's all the same. That's where Marta steps in with the historical maps, the continuous change, the legacies she tracks. When a tributary meets a stream, we have to confess, Van Noot's continuum becomes interrupted. It's a mess. This mess is neatly summarized in a paper by Rice, who identifies a whole list of discontinuities. Nice! Rivers are wonderful creatures, connected on all sides, or along four dimensions, as James Ward specifies, from source to mouth, from water to land, from the ground up, and in time, rivers expand. Maeva and Chantal explore floods in snow and in heat by studying refugia, where organisms retreat. For Jack Stanford, a river is like a mosaic that is shifting both in the tropics and the Arctic. The pieces remain the same over centuries still, but every flood mixes them newly at its own will. Leroy Poff observed quite well. The flow in rivers has a regime, you can tell. Floods have a frequency, a magnitude, and a timing, and droughts have the same. We don't repeat it just for the rhyming. The floods are pulses, as Jung stated as an author, that supply the floodplains with nutrients and water. The pulses of rivers, Nico and Christine intend to measure, but rivers are modified by hydropower. It's no pleasure. Habitats in rivers become nervous and shifting, and fish are stranding and invertebrates drifting. Rivers have to be restored. That is clear since a few generations. And Anthony Bradshaw added some conceptual foundations. As an acid test for ecology, he described restoration, highlighting the many opportunities for knowledge creation. That's what Lucy and Tara aim for as a team by analyzing 25 restoration projects, all in a small stream. Restoration practices have changed. It's quite interesting. In the beginning, they look more like advanced gardening. Nowadays, is the process we want to restore. Beach and colleagues introduced this concept and much more. So let's hope that with sediment, water, and wood, all organisms in rivers will soon say, all good.